Here's Midland WR400 unboxing. Seems to be in pretty good packaging. There's the documentation. All hazards radio. Here's the weather radio. Adapter here. The AC adapter. It's pretty nice. AC adapter. That's all there is in the box. Took the radio out of its bubble wrap here. So as I find where that is, right here. Here she is. Very sweet. Similar to the WR300, but these buttons are flat. Everything's very nice. You get your brightness adjusting. It's very nice. You even got a spot for the cord to go through. Okay, and I'm gonna go set it up at its spot, and I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay, plugging in the radio for the first time. So we're gonna set the language. Stereo, we want all the way to Kitchener-Waterloo. There we go, Kitchener-Waterloo. Set the time. The current hour is 8. Current minute is 50. Oops. Let's see, where's the line?
Point Weller, non disponible. Burlington Piers, 22. Nord-nord-est à 6 nœuds. Grimsby Buoy, la température.
Okay, let's adjust that time again. Okay, set in minutes. Arm tape, voice. Jeez, that's loud. Set the backlight display to 5. Button beeps, yeah, I want that. the events all on by default. Okay, basically that's all. Gonna set it in its spot now, right beside my WR120 and WR300, and also by my WR100. And yeah,
60% chance of rain, high 18. For Monday night, cloudy with 30% chance of showers, low 16. For Tuesday, a mix of sun and cloud, high 23. For Tuesday night, clear, low 14. For Wednesday, a mix of sun and cloud, high 24. Normals for the period, low 11, high 22.
well, that's it. Thanks for watching.